Pleasant good morning to everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May the peace, mercy and blessing of Allah be upon you. The previous class, so I have started direct and indirect speech. What is direct speech? Actual word of the speaker is called direct speech. For example, Raju said, I am going to market. Sita said, I am singing a song. So all these are direct speech. Actual word of the speaker is called direct speech and it is quoted in inverted commas. It is enclosed in inverted commas. So now, and I have given on the day some few words how it is going to change from direct speech to indirect speech. So here is going to change as there, now, then, today, that day, yesterday, the previous day, or the day before, today, that day, tomorrow, the following day. So now today we are going to discuss about the changes in tenses. This topic tenses is already completed. Along in the tenses I given some structures to you, all the 12 structures right from simple present to future perfect continuous. Now let us see how the tenses are going to change from direct speech to indirect speech. Okay, now and I'll give some points to you. See, first one, Raju said Imran is sick. First of all, you see, this one Raju said, it is the actual word of the Raju. Imran is sick. It is the actual word of Raju. So, it is called reporting speech. Raju said, this is called reporting verb. Okay, so whatever the words which is enclosed in inverted commas, it is the actual word of the speaker. Who is the speaker here? Raju. Okay, so it is direct speech. Whereas in indirect speech, we should not use inverted commas because indirect speech is the summary part of the speaker. Okay, it is only the summary part of the speaker. Okay, that's what we discussed in our previous class. Now let us change this example in the indirect speech. Okay, Raju said. So here said, what the conjunction we are going to use here? Raju said. After said that, Raju said that Imran is sick. Here you see the word is. It is in simple present. Now simple present is going to change as simple past. Is it? And the day I given simple present, simple past, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, simple past, past perfect, past continuous, past perfect continuous, and that day I given all. So let us take this example and we'll also discuss some few examples from your book. We'll solve some examples from your grammar book. Now Raju said Imran is sick. Raju said that Imran is in simple present. Change in past was. Imran was sick. Is it clear? So, Raju said Imran is sick, it is simple present. Change in simple past. Raju said that Imran was sick. Okay. Now, let us take one example from your book, that is in present continuous. If the direct speech is in present continuous, how we are going to change in past continuous? Okay. Let me take one example. Okay. Ali said, the birds, Ali said that birds are flying in the sky. In the sky. You see, Ali said, it is called reporting verb. It is the actual word of the speaker. Who is the speaker here? Ali. So it is called reporting speech. The birds are flying in the sky. Are flying in the sky is present continuous. So how can we change in indirect speech? That is past continuous. Ali said that the birds are flying in the sky is going to change as the birds were flying in the sky. Is it clear? So are is going to change in the past as were. Okay, plural form birds, so were. Ali said that the birds are flying is going to change as were flying. Were flying in the sky. in the sky. Okay, now let us take one example. Ali said the birds are flying in the sky. Ali said that the birds were flying in the sky. Now let me tell you one more thing. Suppose if the reporting verb is in simple present or in simple simple future, the reporting speech is not going to change. Okay, so if the reporting verb is in simple present or in simple future, the reporting speech is not changed. Let me give one example. I given two example, simple present and present continuous. How we change in simple past and past continuous. Let us take one example. Now what I said, suppose if the reporting verb is in simple present or in simple future, the reporting speech is not change. For example, you see this example. The girl says, I am eating porridge. I am eating porridge. The girls, are you right, girl? The girl says, I am eating porridge. The girl says, I am eating porridge. Now let us change in indirect speech. First of all, let me tell you, the girl says, it is called reporting verb. Now you see the reporting verb, it is in present tense. Say is nothing but in present tense. Okay, so whenever the reporting verb is in present, simple present or in simple future, the reporting speech is not change. Okay, it means we have to write in the same way. So what is reporting verb here? It is in simple present. Suppose if it is in present tense, if this reporting verb, remember, if the reporting verb is in simple present, it means in present or in future, reporting speech is not change. How can we change this example? The girl says that I am eating. Who is I am? That girl. The girl says that she is eating porridge. Let me tell you once again, if the reporting verb is in present or in future tense, reporting speech is not change. The girl says that she is eating porridge. Now let me tell you one more example. Next, Imran will say, my parents have gone out. Imran will say, my parents have gone out. Now, how can we change in indirect speech? Imran will say, this reporting verb, is it in future tense? Of course it is in future tense. Before example, it is in present. Now it is in future. So Imran will say is in future. Is it? Now it is in future. My parents have gone out. My parents have gone out. It is reporting speech. So whenever we get present in reporting verb or future, the reporting speech is not change. Let us write, Imran will say that my parents, it means his parents. You write here, his parents have gone out. His parents have gone out. See, reporting speech is not change. When the reporting verb is in present or in future, reporting speech is not change. Let us continue with the tenses. Now so far I given simple present is change in simple past, present continuous, past continuous.